Hi, I'm Dr. Broadway from Kalamazoo Podiatry. The way our nails grow is mainly determined by our genes. For nails that curl, as you get older, that curling tends to get worse and worse. For most people, eventually reaches a point where that nail is digging in and causing pain on a regular basis. A couple options you can do for that. The traditional way, I numb the toe at the base of the toe. Once that toe is numb, where that nail starts to curl, I make a cut from the tip of the toenail, follow it all the way down to the base of the nail, and then I take that edge of nail out. Put a chemical at the nail root to kill that nail root so it doesn't come back. Once it heals, the skin margin will slide over, so cosmetically, you're left with a nice flat toenail. Now, an alternative to that is a product called OnyFix. So let me show you how that works. So first step is we apply a primer. Coat the whole toe with this primer. The next step is when the OnyFix is applied. So OnyFix is a special cement, and we're going to put one stripe at the base of the toenail, then a second stripe is going to go in the center of the nail. As this cement cures, it cures in a way that helps to pull that nail flat. The cement then will stay on as the toenail grows out. As the nail grows out and you're trimming your nails like you would normally, eventually these two stripes, they get trimmed off. So with this, there's no pain, there's no injection. Once those two stripes are on, a light is then applied to cure that cement. And that's all there's to it. So if you are dealing with painful ingrown toenails and having the traditional nail removed, it doesn't sound like a good option to you, give us a call today. I'd like to go over this in more detail with you. Thank you for watching.